Welcome back. This is the second part of our little off-roading excursion for myself and Papa Smurf. Once again, the audio is only picking up our conversation on the intercoms via Papa Smurf's camera. This is all his footage from his camera. I just edited it all together. So apologies for the poor audio. As you can see, we sort of turned out the gravelly bit straight into wet grass. Real good fun and slippery. And then things got really gnarly. Now, as at this point I was umming and ahhing whether to carry on. So yeah, okay, we'll give it a go, see how far we get. And you can just about see me in the distance, sliding all over the place. Neither of us have got the right tyres for this kind of terrain, so we pretty much abandoned the idea at this point. I had to get off and actually push the bike back to meet Jonathan. More slipping and sliding, getting absolutely nowhere, sideways mostly. Yeah, I think it was at Runabout here that I abandoned the idea. We took a walk around, recce the area. What had happened, it was a lot worse further up. Having managed to get my bike back to meet up with Papa Smurf, we turned his around and he decided to just ride back up and see how far we got. Clearly his experience is showing here over mine. I followed just after.
Live and learn, exactly.
So we abandoned the whole idea of doing this particular lane and we headed off to one we know rather well. As I said in the first video, there's no footage of the second lane unfortunately. The weather got worse, it was mist, fine drizzle. All you would have had on the camera lenses was water, you wouldn't be able to see anything, so we didn't bother filming. But we did have jolly good fun, and the bikes got filthy. There we go. Right, enjoy the next one when it comes up. Take care all, ride safe, have fun. Bye now. When does it ever?
Like you say, live and learn, right?
Well, I'm glad you come up here to have a look.
Yeah.
But I looked at all the footage and it seemed to be like this all the way through. And that